Welcome to Dacast. Let's get your account set up. It only takes a minute. First, click on Start Free Trial. You'll just need to enter a few details: your first name, last name, phone number, so our sales team can reach you if needed, and your company URL. That helps us understand your project and how you plan to use Dacast. If you'd like a personalized demo, simply choose your industry and select whether you're interested in live streaming or video on demand. Our team will contact you as soon as possible to walk you through everything. Once your account is created, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you'll see key information about your account usage, like transcoding, storage, and bandwidth. You can easily track how much data you've used, monitor your daily activity, and check your analytics, including paywall performance and audience insights. That's it. You're ready to start streaming with Dacast.